Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the battery in your Conga Eternal Max can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, it can be done efficiently. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you through the process. ### tools needed. 1. Screwdriver set. Ensure you have a Phillips and flathead screwdriver. 2. Plastic pry tool. This helps to open the casing without causing damage. 3. Multimeter, to check the new battery's voltage before installation. 4. Cleaning cloth, for internal cleaning of the device. 5. Replacement battery, make sure it's compatible with the Conga Eternal Max. ### Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Before you begin, ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Clear any clutter to prevent losing screws or small parts. ### Step 2. Power off the device. Make sure your Conga Eternal Max is completely powered off. If it has a removable battery, take it out to avoid any electrical risk. ### Step 3. Remove the casing. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back casing of the device. Keep track of the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the casing off. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure to avoid breaking any clips. ### Step 4. Locate the battery. Once the casing is off, locate the battery. It is usually secured with additional screws or clips. Remove these screws carefully using the appropriate screwdriver. ### Step 5. Disconnect the old battery. Gently disconnect the battery from its connector. If it's stuck, use the pry tool to help loosen it. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the casing with your cleaning cloth. This ensures optimal performance for your new battery. ### Step 6. Install the new battery. Take your new battery and connect it to the appropriate connector. Double-check the orientation, it should match the original battery's position. Secure the battery in place with its screws or clips. ### Step 7. Test the new battery. Before reassembling, use your multimeter to test the new battery's voltage. Ensure it meets the specifications needed for the Conga Eternal Max. This step is crucial for avoiding future issues. ### Step 8. Reassemble the device. Carefully place the casing back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. ### Step 9. Power on the device. Turn your Conga Eternal Max back on. If you followed the steps correctly, it should power up without issues. Charge the device as needed. ### Professional help. If you feel uncomfortable performing these steps or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help ensure your battery replacement is done right. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Always get a quote before repair to avoid any surprises. By following these steps, you can successfully change the battery in your Conga Eternal Max, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.